Alright, I'm out here in Main Street Loop Railroad Crossing in Blackey, Kentucky. First signal here has Safe Train base. Here we have Safe Train gate mechanism right there. Here's the CSX emergency information. So DOT number is 346149W. Oh, it's too strong. You can't shake it because it's too strong. Yeah. Here at the map lies a Safe Train followed by.
Hands up.
Hey, Nico.
How are you?
Okay.
We're filming some railroad crossings this morning.
Here are the mats. There's a Safe Train tall by 24 lights right here. Here we have the Rayco LED gate lights right up here.
Can't tell what those lights are.
A Safe Train. Right here we have WC Hayes mechanical bell right on top.
There's the counterweight rating that makes the arm moving.
Yeah, it's too strong. Right down there is the real case. I can go medium on top right up here. There's a track just seeing right here is passing towards east, sir. Traffic facing towards Main and towards where most of the branch line is. There's only enough 15 spots to wind up. It's our only own riders to and towards to Ellen and Southern and Peace and Southern. This road crossing bended to 3 tracks is actually extends confidence of the river too. By the way, here's the second signal has another Safe Train base. Another gate maximum Safe Train. Here have another CSX turns information. I'm gonna go over to the creek. Right here. Right here is C6. You have the mats license Safe Train tall by 24 lights. Here's a new gate arm, double by old one. Here are the Rayco, another Rayco LED gate lights. And we have WC Hayes mechanical bell other. So here there's some relay case right here, other signal right here. Right here's the other switch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, I'm gonna go back over here so you can see the signals real quick. Here we have Main Street Loop Railroad Crossing in the Blackey, Kentucky. Over and out.